Hey guys, this is Mr. Sharp. This is your Reader's Workshop lesson for Wednesday, February 5th. A reminder, you can turn on subtitles, the closed captioning, to see the words that I read and that I say. Our next big skill that we're going to review in Reader's Workshop is asking questions while we read. You guys are pretty good at this, so I think it'll be a rather straightforward lesson, something easy to take notes about. Like yesterday, I used my notebook. Here's my setup at the bottom. You can use a notebook if you like. You can also just open the Google Classroom attachment and type it there. Yesterday we read from the Big Book of Think, the Book of Think, and I was reading through it, and it's a fun book, but it doesn't really fit with asking questions while you read. So we're going to shift to a different book today. This book is called Fox and Socks by Dr. Seuss. You might have read it. It's rather simple, but it's also a book with a lot of strange things, so it was easy to form questions. And as we form questions, I'd like you guys to save some space at the end to write down any possible answers you find. I didn't find answers to all my questions. I think I wrote down 5 questions and found 2 answers. So let's see how far we get. Fox, socks, box, knocks. Knocks in box, fox in socks. Knocks on fox in socks in box. Socks on knocks and knocks in box. Fox and socks on box on knocks. And at this point, I was wondering, who are Fox and Knocks to each other? Are they friends? Are they meeting for the first time? Chicks with bricks come, chicks with blocks come, chicks with bricks and blocks and clocks come. So now it starts getting weird. Then Mr. Knox responds, look, sir, Mr. Knox, sir. Oh, this is Fox. Let's do tricks with bricks and blocks, sir. Let's do tricks with chicks and clocks, sir. And with Fox asking these questions, my new question was, is Fox in charge? Is this his world? First, I'll make a quick trick brick stack. Then I'll make a quick trick block stack. And there's... You can make a quick trick chick stack. You can make a quick trick clock stack. And here's a new trick, Mr. Knox. Socks on chicks and chicks on fox. Fox on clocks on bricks and blocks. Bricks and blocks on knocks on box. And at this point, I wrote down, why does Knox let Fox do these things? In all these pictures, Knox is looking, concerned or worried, and Fox just always has a big, happy smile on his face, or her face. Now we come to Ticks and Toxer. Try to say this, Mr. Knoxer. Clocks on fox tick, clocks on knocks talk, 6 sick bricks tick, 6 sick chicks talk. We have our 6 sick chicks and our sick bricks. Please, sir, I don't like this trick, sir. My tongue isn't quick or slick, sir. I get all those ticks and clocks, sir, mixed up with the chicks and talks, sir. I can't do it, Mr. Fox, sir. I'm so sorry, Mr. Knox, sir. At this point, I wrote down, what kind of people are Fox and Knox? By that I mean, what's their personality? Is Fox just messing with Knox? Are they really good-natured? What kind of characters are they? Here's an easy game to play. Here's an easy thing to say. New socks, 2 socks. Who socks? Sue socks. Who sews whose socks? Sue sews whose socks. Who sees Whoso whose new socks are? You see Suso Sue's new socks are. That's not easy, Mr. Noxer or Mr. Foxer. Who comes Crowcum? Excuse me. Who comes Crow comes? Slow Joe Crow comes. There's Slow Joe Crow. Who sews crow's clothes? Sue sews crow's clothes. Slow Joe Crow sews whose clothes? Sue's clothes. And they are sewing each other's clothes. Sue sews socks of fox and socks now. Slow Joe Crow sews knocks in box now. We just have a whole lot of sewing. So at this point, things are getting real weird. And I wrote down, how did Dr. Seuss think any of this made any sense? But I think I have some answers. I had the question, is Fox in charge? And I think, yes, Fox has all the power. He seems to be orchestrating this world. Look how happy he is with Sue sewing him up. And number 4, I wrote, what kind of people are Fox and Knox? I think Knox is very serious, and Fox is all about playing games. And I did not find an answer to what their relationship is, or why Knox lets Fox do all these things, or why Dr. Seuss thinks this makes sense. But we'll read a bit more. Sue sews rose on Slow Joe Crow's clothes. Fox sews hose on Slow Joe Crow's nose. Hose goes, rose grows. Nose hose goes some. Crow's rose grows some. And here they are sewing all those things. Still a happy Fox, still a miserable Knox. Mr. Fox, I hate this game, sir. This game makes my tongue quite lame, sir. Mr. Knox, sir, what a shame, sir. We'll find something new to do now. Here is lots of new blue goo now. New goo, blue goo, gooey, gooey. Blue goo, new goo, gluey, gluey. Gooey goo for chewy chewing. That's what that goo goose is doing. Do you choose to chew goo too, sir? If sir, you, sir, choose to chew, sir, with the goo goose chew, sir, do, sir. So here's the goo goose chewing the goo. Mr. Fox, sir, I won't do it. I can't say it. I won't chew it. Very well, sir. Step this way. We'll find another game to play. At this point, you may have your own questions for this book. I wrote down 5. If you guys get to 5 today, that's plenty. Bim comes, Bin comes. Bim brings Bin broom. Bin brings Bim broom. So we have Ben and Bim, you can see on their shirts. Bin bins Bim's broom. Bim bins Bin's broom. Bim's bins, Bin's bins. Bin's bench broom breaks. Bim's bench broom breaks. So they're bending and breaking each other's brooms. Now you may be wondering, are Bim and Ben brothers? Why do they seem so happy when they're destroying each other's property? It's an answer I don't think we'll find. Pig band, boom band, big band, broom band. My poor mouth can't say that, no, sir. My poor mouth is much too... Oh, I missed a page, sorry. The pig band. Bin's band, Bim's band. Big bands, pig bands. Bim and Ben lead bands with brooms. Bin's band bangs and Bim's band booms. So yeah. And then our next page is Mr. Knox complaining. Pig band, boom band, big band, broom band. My poor mouth can't say that, no, sir. My poor mouth is much too slow, sir. Well then, bring your mouth this way. I'll find something it can say. And we'll stop there. If this works for tomorrow's lesson, we'll continue on with Fox and Socks. So on the form, you guys will just form as many questions as you can. and include any possible answers. If you have questions, then email me like you guys did today. Several of you did great with that. And we'll stop it there.